What is going on, guys? Sirluis here, the YouTuber to invest, to rest, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys here, in my opinion, the best app to stake Zilliqa and earn an APY and interest on your Zilliqa. So if you guys have Zilliqa somewhere in some exchange or app, this is the video for you because you can earn interest, okay, passive income on your Zilliqa just for holding it in this app. And of course, I love giving you guys bonuses, and I'm also going to show you the best app to buy Zilliqa, okay, for the best fees and the best withdrawal fees as well, so you can send it over to this other app to stake it. So let's start off the video here with my opinion, the best app to buy Zilliqa, where I personally buy Zilliqa. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is the app right here. It's called Kucoin. Okay, you can buy Zilliqa here with no KYC. You don't need KYC. All you need is your email and a password, okay? And then basically you just gotta send over crypto from some other app like Coinbase Pro, and then you basically use that crypto to buy Zilliqa on here. And let me just show you guys here. It's very simple. Once you get the hang of it, I actually made a review on how to use it. Right here, you just buy it. The fees on this app to buy Zilliqa are amazing. Okay, it's one of the lowest up there with Binance. And also to withdraw, I think it's only 2 Zilliqa, which is literally like 14 cents at the moment. So it's very cheap fees, in my opinion. The best app to buy Zilliqa and save a lot of money. So after you buy Zilliqa, or wherever app you're holding your Zilliqa, okay, we're gonna go over the best app to stake Zilliqa in my opinion at the moment. Okay, and this app is going to be the Atomic Wallet, which is not an exchange, it's a wallet, which is good because this wallet gives you your private keys. You're gonna be in control of your private keys. So on top of staking Zilliqa, and I'm gonna show you guys here the APY that they have at the moment, you're gonna be able to have your Zilliqa in a safe wallet where you have control of your private keys. So if you have it in some exchange and that exchange goes down one day or shuts down or isn't working for a couple hours due to the market being volatile, well, here, if you have it here, you're in control of it, and you can literally sell it and swap it for some other coin that you want to anytime. So let's look at it right here. If you scroll down here, I'm on the website. It tells you all the staking coins that they have in the current APY at the moment. So at the moment, Zilliqa's at 15% APY, which in my opinion is an amazing price, which in my opinion is an amazing percentage here for holding Zilliqa in this app. What I like too is they have a calculator here. So let's say you have 5,000 Zilliqa, right, which is around $205. Not that bad. Okay, what would you get in a month? Let's put here a month. I don't know, 30. Where is it? 30 days, I guess. A month and 1 day. Okay, so you'll get around $4, okay, worth of Zilliqa, of course, in that month, and yearly it'll be $63. Now, of course, this is all depends on the price. So if Zilliqa goes up, you're gonna be getting more than that, right? This is all based at the current price right now. So you can see that you can be basically earning more Zilliqa just for holding it in this Atomic Wallet that is safe on top of that. So instead of holding it in some exchange or some other place that doesn't give you anything for holding it there, just leaves it idle, I definitely recommend starting an Atomic Wallet and holding it here. And I'm going to show you guys here the wallet, okay, just so you guys can get a feel of how it is on the iPhone and Android. There is also a desktop version for this wallet, so you can also go in the desktop version. So crypto wallets like Exodus and Atomic Wallet, which is one of them, are super easy to start. They don't require no KYC, they don't require a phone number or email or any of that. All they require in the beginning is your password, okay, that you set in the beginning, and they give you a 12 random word seed. These 12 random words, you guys have to keep this, write it down, put it in the safe, don't screenshot it and keep it in your phone, because these 12 words in that order that they give you in the beginning once you start your account is going to be all you have to recover your account. So one day maybe you lose your phone, or you want to put it on another phone or on your desktop, you can basically get these 12 words in their order. They're literally random words, and then just put in the seed phrase, and then you'll have your wallet back. What I recommend is write it down, put it in the safe or somewhere like that, so you can always have that for security. And right here, as you guys can see, they support a lot of coins here. Now obviously we're going to be looking at Zilliqa. So right here, this is my Zilliqa. Okay, I really love the simplicity of this app. Obviously, it's not crazy or anything like that, but it's very simple, easy to understand. Here at the bottom, it tells you your wallet, your history, exchange. You can also swap in this app. There might be a little fee. In case of an emergency, you want to swap to another coin or something like that, you can swap and do that in this app. You don't have to send it anywhere. And to stake it, let me show you guys here how to stake it after you send it. So basically, you're going to go to your app that you have, your Zilliqa. Okay, and it's gonna ask you for an address, and all you do is you go right here to Zilliqa, you search it up. You probably won't have it in the top. Search it up, and you're gonna press receive. When you press receive, it's gonna give you the address for Zilliqa on your Atomic wallet. All you have to do is copy. Okay, I don't recommend typing it. I recommend copy and paste it to your other exchange or your other app that you want to send the Zilliqa from. Copy and paste it, and then send it over like that. So now, after you send it over, you're gonna have your Zilliqa. It should be a couple minutes that it gets on here. Don't panic, okay? Send it over, and then to stake it, all you gotta do is right here at the right bottom here, click on staking, and then you can see the other apps here that they support staking for, which is pretty cool. All you gotta do is click on Zilliqa, and all you gotta do is basically press. It doesn't show on here because I already staked mine, but basically you're gonna put the amount that you want to stake. You can put max and all that stuff, and all you do is press stake, and it should start staking. And the way that you get your rewards is basically based on month, right? So monthly average and all that stuff. So it's very simple to do, guys. I definitely recommend it, to instead of keeping your Zilliqas on some random exchange and not even having control of the private keys, right? Well, at least here on Atomic Wallet, you don't just earn you know, APY interest on your Zilliqa. You basically have control of it as well, and it's just a very sleek design here as well. So definitely check it out, guys. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description below, along with Kucoin, in my opinion, the best app to buy Zilliqa. Okay, and Atomic, the best app to stake it and just to hold it there. They're all gonna be in the description below. All right, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys want to join a free crypto community, you can join my Facebook crypto community called Crypto Invest to Rest. It's completely free and it's open for the public if you have Facebook. Now, if you want something more private, I have my Patreon, and with that I have my Discord that you guys can go check out on my Patreon, and I give a bunch of information also on what coins I hold and all that stuff, so you guys can check that out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.